organized workspace. Now I have a very small room and I've got a lot packed in this room, but it works great for me. First of all, I have my table. It sits right in the center of the room, and I do my unpacking of my boxes and putting my stacks together on this side, and on this side I do my finishing, my cutting and trimming and whatnot over here. And this is my hooping area. And I have two systems that I use. I have my all-in-one hooper, and then I have the Hoop Master. It depends on what I'm doing, and it depends on which hooping device I'm going to be using. I do like this one very well because it is so much more versatile. I have my backings right above what I'm doing. All I have to do is reach up, put my backing down, and hook it onto my hooping device. I have my extra backings over here. I've got a lot of different ones that I use and different sizes. I have my wooden hoops sitting here. I've got just some sample caps there. I've got stock in my drawers. And of course I've got my garbage can that I use for all my cuttings. Over here is where I store my jobs to be done. I have these little crates that I put it in, and this works out great for small jobs. For large jobs, I put them on shelves in my closet. Now I have some jobs here that are all ready to go. This one is just a single piece, and it's a repiece, so I just had to pull the folder. That is ready to go. This job, I had to put together all the art for it, digitize the design. I've got everything ready to go on that now. This one is towels and bathrobes. They get the same monogram. I do not have it worked up yet, so I do not have a folder with these yet. I have all of my threads in drawers. They're all organized by color. And I have a small one up here for my small spools. This is my extra threads and books that I use. This is my maintenance log, and of course different items that I use. And this is my finishing tools are in these drawers. My packaging and my solving is in this drawer. And then these are different items that I use for the machines. Over here, I just have some extra tools in here. And of course I have my machines. I have my machine up on blocks because it really wasn't quite high enough for me. I mean, that's just a little hint. If you want your machine higher, put it on some cement blocks. It works. Back of my machine, I have a little basket with tools in it. And of course over here I have my needle replacement sheets. I have one for each one of my machines here because I don't have a place to put one on this machine. So I have the top one is for my smaller machine, and the bottom one is for this machine. Now I have my tools, my little tool chest, and in my drawers here I have all of my needles and my bobbins and my bobbin tension. I have my tools for all my maintenance, and then extra tools in the other drawers. And I also have my smaller machine. I have my hoops and my clamping system all stored in drawers under the table. And then I also have a steamer that I steam all of my products with before they go out the door. It really doesn't matter if you have a large organization or a small one. You need to have an organized workspace.